Hello, welcome to the Click Experts, and today we are going to discuss how to record your phone calls on your iPhone for free. So we're going to jump right into it. We're going to go to the App Store and we're going to type in REV call recorder, Rev call recorder. Now this link will be in the description if you want to go straight to your through your iPhone and just click in the description. It'll take you right to it. But go right here, you'll see Rev call recorder. We're going to download that. Now it's downloaded. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Go straight to the call recorder. Of course, the notifications, tracking, you can make that decision yourself. And right here, you're going to type in your phone number for your verification code to come in. Type your number in, and you will receive the verification code. Click there. You can decide whether you want to allow updates or not. And it's just that easy. So from there, you can get started right away. Start recording phone calls. You just hit the start recording. You can use your own contacts, or you can type in a phone number and it will instantly record, and it is all 100% free, only for iPhone right now, but it is 100% free. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue